Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD's status bar missing at the bottom using the easy method. This is a great way to pull your hidden control strip back onto your screen so you can see all your helpful drawing toggle buttons right away. Step 1. Type the status bar command to turn it on. The first step is to use a basic typing command to force the software engine to force the bottom utility row to show itself on your screen. Move your mouse pointer down to the empty typing box near the bottom of your screen, type the word status bar, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Look closely at the bottom entry prompt line, type the number 1 into the input box, and press the Enter key one more time to save the rule. Because a quick software update or an accidental key click can sometimes toggle this variable to 0, which makes the entire bottom row vanish into thin air. You have to run this basic reveal command so you can tell the program framework to turn the visibility switch back on. Without this step, your screen will stay empty at the bottom and you won't be able to see your quick drawing aids. Step 2. Turn on the App Clean Screen toggle switch. Next, you need to check if your application was accidentally forced into a full screen view mode that hides all your taskbars to save visual space. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and press the number 0 key at the same time to flip the screen mode back to normal. Watch your workspace window closely to see if your top ribbon panels, side menus, and bottom control strips all snap back into view at the same time. Because the clean screen mode is designed to hide every single toolbar on your screen so you can view your blueprint layouts without distractions, by pressing this quick keyboard shortcut, you toggle the entire visual frame back to its standard look. It ensures you didn't accidentally lock yourself out of your tools by bumping your keyboard. Next, you need to reset your whole workspace template to refresh the display. Look at the bottom edge row, click the icon that looks like a small mechanical gear wheel, pick another option like 3D Basics from the list, wait 2 seconds for the boxes to shift, click the gear wheel again and select your original drafting workspace. Keep your eyes on the lower frame of the application window to let the software clear out any temporary visual bugs. This is the most important part because your visual layout can sometimes get stuck in a glitch loop where it thinks the bar is open when it is actually hidden. By flipping the workspace styles back and forth, you force the program to pull a fresh, undevastated layout blueprint straight out of its system memory files. It is the key step to getting the right output because it corrects display errors instantly. And that's it. To fix AutoCAD's status bar missing at the bottom, you must first type status bar and set it to 1 to force the row to appear. Then you press Ctrl and 0 together to turn off the hidden clean screen mode. Next, you click the gear icon at the bottom right to pick another workspace before going back to refresh the display frame. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.